The central brush is positioned underneath or at the rear of the sweeper. It makes sure that any rubbish is directed towards the sweeper suction or collection mechanism. It can be made of one piece or of several pieces, or even a number of rings assembled on a metal framework. These brushes are made from a plastic tube onto which the fibers are stapled. Depending on the sweeper, there are numerous row configurations for the filling and styles of fixing. The plastic rings are a patented design by SOVB of a width of 50 or 60 millimeters. These rings remove the need for traditional spacers, thus simplifying the assembly. The plastic rings produce a finished brush that is significantly denser and therefore a better quality sweep. Finally, the plastic rings are fully recyclable